dress is so perfect. I love it so much. I think this is the one.
Wow. Honey, you're gonna look beautiful in it.
Well, I see you have good taste. This one just came in from Italy. It's the most expensive dress in our store. I can see why. Price doesn't matter, right, Dad?
Well, how much is it?
It's $5,000. Just so you know, it's one of a kind, so I don't think it's gonna last very long.
$5,000.
We'll take it. Fantastic. I will meet you at the register.
Honey, maybe we should look at some other stores first, huh? Maybe we can find something that's a little more affordable.
Affordable? You think I'm gonna wear a cheap dress at my wedding? No way, Dad. You are going to look absolutely stunning in this dress. I know. What's a wedding without the perfect dress, right? Okay, with tax that will be $5,863. Cash or credit?
Credit.
Saying it didn't go through. Sometimes these things don't work. Let's try it again. Something wrong? I'm sorry. It's saying that this credit card is being declined. Declined? I don't understand. Dad, what's going on?
Hey, would you mind giving us a second?
Of course.
Look, honey, I really didn't want to have to tell you this, but I got laid off from my job, so things are really tight right now. I just didn't want you to have to stress about it.
So, what are you saying? You can't buy me the dress?
I'm sorry. But maybe you and I can go out and find something more affordable. I'm sure that there are plenty of really wonderful dresses out there.
What? No! I can't get married in some cheap dress!
Honey, please understand that getting married is not about fancy dresses or expensive weddings. It's about love. Just look at the dress that your mother got married in. She made this dress herself, and it is still one of the happiest days of our lives. I miss her.
What does Mom's dress have to do with me? Look, Dad, you don't get it. If I don't get that dress, then the whole wedding.
Honey, please.
Just forget it. The only thing I asked of you was to get me that dress, and you can't even do that. So much for my dream wedding. Thanks for nothing. I can't believe he can't get me that dress. What's even the point of getting married? Can you believe it, Dad? I'm about to be married.
I know. And I'm so happy for you. I've been imagining this day ever since you were a little girl. I just wish...
Dad, what's wrong?
It's nothing. I don't want to ruin your special day.
No, Dad, please tell me. What's wrong?
It's just that I feel so bad that I couldn't afford to buy you a fancy wedding dress. So now you're stuck having to wear your mom's.
Dad, are you kidding me? Being married isn't about fancy dresses or expensive weddings. It's about love. Besides, the price of this dress isn't what makes it special. What makes it so special is that it was Mom's.
Oh, sweetheart. I wish your mom was still here so that she could see you in it. She would be so proud of you. You look so beautiful.
Thanks, Dad. Now, come on. It's time for you to walk me down the aisle.
Maybe you have some sort of layaway program? Or here, why don't you just try running it for half the amount first? See if that works.
I'm sorry, sir. We don't offer that.
Kelsey, hey, you're back. Hey, look, don't worry. I'm going to figure out some way to get you this dress.
Don't worry about it. I don't need it.
Need it? I don't understand.
Look, I want to apologize for how I acted earlier. You were right. Marriage is not about fancy dresses or expensive weddings. It's about love. Do you think you can forgive me?
Honey, of course I can.
Thanks, Dad.
But, if you're not going to get this dress, what are you going to do?
I've actually got the perfect idea.
Honey, we're going to be late.
Just a second.
Oh, Kelsey, you look beautiful. Is that?
Yeah. It's Mom's dress. I found it in your closet. What do you think?
Honey. You look just like your mother did on our wedding day. I wish you could see you. She would be so proud of you.
Thank you, Dad. I wish she was here too. This dress is... it's perfect. I wouldn't trade it for the most expensive gown in the world. Now come on. It's time for me to get married.